Welcome to All Mode Voice, End User Training. This module will detail the operation and management of voicemail within the All Mode Voice hosted phone service. This module will also describe using the All Mode Voice web portal. If you are not familiar with the portal, or need a review, please watch the web portal module. The link is in the description. If you enjoy our YouTube videos, click the like button, and hit the subscribe button in order to view our latest training videos. Press the notification bell to be notified of new videos, and leave a comment if you find this content helpful, or have other suggestions for training videos. Voicemail can be managed from 3 locations: via an audio interface from the desk phone, through the web portal, or through the Connect UC mobile app. Each of these methods are described in separate training modules. This module will discuss how to manage voicemail using the online web portal. The first step is to sign in to the web portal. A new message will display a red badge with the number of new messages, next to the Messages tab. Next, click the Messages tab. Any new messages can be viewed in this window. The user also has the ability to view saved messages and deleted messages by choosing the desired type from the drop-down. New voicemail messages will also be displayed in the main window of the home screen and the main window of the message screen. The message banner will show the extension or number of the caller's name, date, time, and duration of the message. To play the message, press the play button next to the number. If the number next to the play button is highlighted in blue, the user can hover over the number and have the option to click to call the sender. If you have further questions about All Mode Voice, or are interested in the All Mode Voice product, please send an email to voice@allmode.com. Located at the right end of the message banner are 5 options for the recipient. Call to play calls the recipient's phone in order to play the message. Forward allows the user to forward the message to another user in the system. Download will download a copy of the message to the recipient's PC. The message will be in WAV file format. The next option is to save the message. Finally, the red trash can will delete the message. If the user saves the message, it can be viewed on the Messages tab under Saved Messages. The user still has the following options: play, call to play, forward, download, and delete. Deleted messages are also viewed in the Messages tab under Trash. The options for deleted messages are play, forward, download, and save. Remember, if a deleted message is left in the voicemail box overnight, it will be permanently deleted. The other important features of web portal voicemail are found in the Messages window, under the Settings tab. There are 2 main headings within this tab: Inbox and Greetings. A checkbox above the Inbox heading allows the voicemail feature to be enabled or disabled. Inbox has options for arranging messages and playing the time and caller ID for the message. The user has the option to set the forward to operator extension number and program an extension to copy the message to. If you are interested in finding out more about All Mode Communications and the products and services we offer, please visit our website, allmode.com, or feel free to call us at 877-ALL-MODE. That's 877-255-6633. The Greetings section allows the user to record and manage greetings, as well as their recorded name. The drop-down menu is where the user can select previously recorded greetings. The 3 options available for both greetings are play, download, and manage. The play option will play the selected greeting.
Hello, this is I leaned over to answer the phone and missed your call. Please leave a message after the tone. Thank you.
Download is where the user can download a WAV file copy of their greeting, and manage is where the user can create a new greeting. Click Manage, then Add Greeting, to create a new greeting. The user can create a greeting by using text-to-speech, upload, or record. Text-to-speech permits a user to choose a name for the greeting, enter the text for the greeting, and then choose an automated voice to generate the message. In my opinion, Faye has a lovely voice. Upload allows the user to upload a pre-recorded WAV file to use as their primary message. The option to record Permits the user to designate an internal phone which will give them the ability to create a greeting through a desk phone. Click Done, then Save, to save the greeting. This concludes this module of All Mode Voice, End User Training. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.